Welcome to Vehicle Passport by SHIFTMobility. Vehicle Passport creates a single place that makes car ownership a little bit easier. Store everything from your service history, your vehicle transactions, your insurance documents, and most importantly, get rewarded for services that you do every day. Here's a perfect example. Here's service history from my favorite shop. Let's take a look at the rewards I've earned. My Vehicle Passport glove box. This is where I can store important documents, title, insurance, vehicle records, even warranty information. Managing all this paperwork can be a real hassle. Vehicle Passport makes it a lot easier. There's my OEM vehicle warranty. If need be, I can update my miles. Oh, and I get rewarded for doing so. And the best part, all these Autons or rewards that I'm earning, well, I can use them to pay for service. So download Vehicle Passport today. Start earning rewards for service. Feel free to contact us at support@shiftmobility.com.